Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to check out some more hair transformations. So this first one starts off with someone who has this beautiful burgundy hair, and she has decided to take things up a notch by also getting a gorgeous tousled bob haircut. Love how the bangs just gently grace her eyes, and the tousled texture looks amazing with the hair color combination. Next up, we move on to someone going from long to shorter hair. It looks like the stylist gave her a nice chic mid-length haircut. And then with the next hair transformation, we're going to see this beautiful bob. This one is by Chris Jones Hair. Then we'd see a nice color refresh with the next hairstyle. The ends were cut just slightly. Beautiful mid-length haircuts. And then we see another bob haircut by Chris Jones Hair. And the stylist did this beautiful stacked bob haircut. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.